Hey there! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a super cute autumn sticker for your Instagram story using just 6 photos. With autumn just around the corner, now's the perfect time to put together a little photo dump for the season. So let's get started. First, open up Instagram and head over to our official profile. Once you're there, tap on the first highlight with the smiley face. Scroll through the highlights and pick the sticker that catches your eye. Easy, right? Now, just tap Add Yours, and it'll open in your Instagram camera. From here, you can either snap 6 new pics using the little collage icon or grab some from your gallery. Once you've got your photos, post your story, and voila! Your autumn photo dump is ready. And that's all there is to it. Now you can share those cozy autumn vibes with your friends and family. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more Instagram tips, don't forget to subscribe. Catch you in the next one.